about to embark on an 8-day cruise aboard the Star Princess, and this is cabin 17603, part of the Sanctuary collection. It's a well-appointed room, on the smaller side, but they've packed a lot into the space. Right as you come in, you've got your main storage. It's a cabinet with life jackets up top, some shelving below. Next to it is 3 shelves with the in-room safe and 3 large drawers below. Behind that is a lighted closet, and since this is a sanctuary room, you get upgraded robes. Everyone gets robes on Princess, but these are the next step up. The bathroom is compact, as you would expect on a ship, but it's well laid out. You've got a standard amenities in the shower, though space is a bit tight, especially around the shower door. Right outside the bathroom is a huge mirror. Let's move into the main area. You've got a king-size bed which can be split into 2 twins, a large wall-mounted TV, and a very comfortable couch. Honestly, one of the better ones we've seen on Princess. Over here they got a complimentary bottle of sparkling wine waiting for us, and the mini fridge is tucked right into this cabinet. Now this is where this room really stands out, an extended balcony. It is significantly larger than standard, with plenty of seating for space to relax. It's a nice balcony, but one thing we noticed underway, it can get pretty windy out here. And don't forget this is a 360 video, so go ahead and take a look around. In the next video, we're going to break down all the included dining on the Star Princess, where to eat, what's included, and what's actually worth it. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when the video drops, because there's a lot more food on board than you might expect. See you next time.